Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really exciting, how to connect TradingView to Bitget in 2025. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Plus, if you're new to Bitget, there's a cool sign up bonus. You can get up to $100 in rewards. Just check the link in the description or comments, click it, scan the QR code, and you'll receive your reward card. All right, let's dive in. First, open TradingView and pick the asset you want to trade. For this example, let's go with Apple stocks. Click on it and then hit full chart. Once it loads, close any pop-ups you see. Next, scroll down to the trading panel. If you can't see it, look for the arrow icon on the left-hand side and open it. Now, click Show all brokers and scroll until you find Bitget. Click on it, and here's where it gets important. You'll need an API key and passphrase from Bitget. So head over to bitget.com. Go to your profile at the top right and click on API keys. Agree to any prompts and then click Create API Key. You can choose either a system-generated or user-generated key. For this tutorial, I'll go with system-generated. Add a note, something like TradingView to Bitget, and set a passphrase. Remember, this passphrase is super important. If you lose it, you'll need to create a new API key, so keep it safe. Next, set permissions to read and write and adjust any other settings you need, like loans or sub-accounts. Once everything looks good, click Next. You'll now have your API key and passphrase. Go back to TradingView, enter the API key and passphrase, and click Connect. And that's it. You're now successfully connected and you can start trading directly from TradingView to Bitget. I hope this helps you get started quickly and safely. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.